So before we start the workshop, let me, go through with the material. For this, I will need a little bit bigger size of stencils. So here I have one corner stencils and one is this random butterfly stencil. Then we need a mirror. So I'm going to cover two surfaces. One is this and one is on the transparent glass, and one also I will teach on the curved surface, so how to cover the curved surface as well. And you get this stickers as well on Amazon. So even with the stickers, whenever you are working on the curved surface, you all can use these kind of stickers, which is easily available on Amazon. And glass etching cream. So again, you all can use any cream. I'm using this Kadenska cream. Even the glass etching cream on Amazon is available. It is a little bit thicker than this. This is kind of a little bit on the liquid side. So even this is good. And if you those who wants to work with the thicker cream, they can use the Amazon product. Even that is very, very good. So here the material you need a masking tape to stick the stencil so that it just it doesn't move. We need a brush and hand gloves. So whenever we are working with the cream or etching cream, always use gloves because it's a acid. So and work with the ventilated area. So yes, we have to keep this in your mind. That's
What is
it.
that cream's name?
It's a magic glass etching cream.
Okay.
Etching cream.
Okay.
So here, as this is my sample, you all can see this. It's already etched. Okay, so this I've done on the mirror, and I'll be covering this mirror and on the transparent glass. Papya, it's already 11:06. I think I should start.
Yes, we can start.
Okay, okay. So here, this is my glass, and I have to etch on this glass. What does etch means? It's a chemical. So whenever we are working on a mirror or any kind of a glass, it just the acid. It just removes the glass. You know sheet on top of it. So that's why we use stencil, or else you all can use any kind of stickers while etching. So for etching we need a cream. It's called glass etching cream. You all can use any brand. That's not at all compulsory to use any particular brand, so that's fine. And even stencil, make sure that you use a little bit bigger motif stencil, because when you kind of using a minute detail wala stencil, what happens sometimes creams spreads out, and you won't get the desired look you want. So always kind of use a little bit bigger and a big stencils. So here I'm using this butterfly stencil. So I'll be using the stencil over here and this corner stencil on the plain glass. So here, as what you all can do is you just take out the masking tape and just stick the stencils so that it doesn't move. Or else you all can use any stencil adhesive, so that you just have to apply on the back side of the stencil and it just sticks automatically. Okay. So just set the stencil wherever you want and just have to stick the tape from all the sides like this. Okay. Always work in a ventilated area. Just apply the stencil. I am using adhesive to stick stencil properly. I'm using again this Cadence adhesive. This is a stencil spray. So here, see my stencil are properly stuck now. What I'm going to do right now is, I'm using this shake well before you use. So just take etching cream on your brush, see this, like this, and just apply it on the area where you want to etch the glass. So just very lightly. So brush is the easy way to etch because the application of the cream is equal all over the surface. So that's why I always prefer to use brush.
Sorry, I was little late. Can you please repeat it? Sorry.
Yes, first of all, you have to take a glass, then any bigger size of the stencil, and then what you have to do is either you apply masking tape to stick the stencil so that it doesn't move, or else use the adhesive stencil adhesive just to apply a back side of the stencil part, and then you stick the stencil on the surface. And then I have started using this etching cream and I'm applying it with the flat brush. I always apply a etching cream with the flat brush because see the application is very easy. Don't apply too much, otherwise it will get spread. And always if you are not comfortable with the smell of this cream, I always prefer to use mask. And if you are okay, then it's good to go. Otherwise, always wear the gloves and the mask. So here, as you all can see, I have almost done with the etching cream. So here I'm covering the whole mirror. On the other part, I'll be covering just the part of the glass. So I'll be covering the two. One is the full surface and one just the design. So here, just see here. So I am done. Don't touch, the cream with this finger and all. Just use the water and wash it away. And this you have to keep it at least for 10 minutes, and then you just wash it off with the normal water. Okay. So here I'm done with the one process. I will show you another process. So just slowly I'm keeping this aside. Now I'm taking this normal glass. It's hardly it's around a 2 mm glass. Okay. And now I will show you this corner part. So here again what I'll do is I will make sure uh, that my stencil is fitting into this proper glass. So here, as you all can see, it's properly fitting. And here I'm using this glass as a frame. It's like a framed glass. Okay, so make sure that at least you give a 5 mm distance from the corner side, so that you know your design would be visible. So here, as you all can see, I have set my stencil, and now I'll be using this adhesive. Again, use this adhesive an open area, ventilated area. Don't breathe this stencil adhesive. So here I have applied my adhesive, and then just nicely adjust. So here see, this adhesive is still not proper. So I'll apply it again. Yeah. Yeah. Again, I will use my etching cream.
The spray is the adhesive, right?
Yeah, it's adhesive.
Oh.
It kind of sticks whatever you know you want to stick on it. So it's better to use adhesive, because then once it sticks properly, it won't move. Okay, that's why.
And the first one you said with the tape, right?
It's okay. Like whatever is available with you. If you have you know, a masking tape at your place, so what you just have to do is just take it out and stick it, so that again that will not move.
Okay. The result will be the same, or
Yes,
this
yes.
is much better?
It's the same, because again we are taping it tightly, right? So this will not move. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, yeah. So again, take out the etching cream, and now I'm just applying only and only on the design part. So I'm not covering the whole glass. Again, let it set for 10 minutes once you know you are done with the process. So this way you do it, you know, on the, even if you have a, you know, mirror at your place and you just want to work on the corner side of the mirror, yes, you can etch the mirror on the corners. Like you take a very nice corner design and just etch on the corner side. So even that looks really lovely. Or else go for a frames, or you know, you do it on the normal glass, and it's completely waterproof once you know you are done with the etching.
What are the materials we can do it on? Wood or something?
No, only on glass.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So either you take a mirror or just the normal glass, that's fine. But you cannot do on wood.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now next, again let it sit for say around 10 minutes, And now I will show you on the curved surface. So whenever you are working on the curved surface, just okay, let it be. So here I have this, glass jar, and I want to etch over here. Okay, so I will be using stickers. So even for etching, you get this stickers online on Amazon. So here I have all these kind of stickers. See this leaf one and the circle one. Stencils, yes, it's available on the Amazon, and even locally it's available. If you have any it's a Bitsy store nearby, you will get it. Or else, there is one lady, Avni Vyas. Even she keeps all the material and all the stickers and all. Okay, so here,
Who?
Avni Vyas. I will share her number, so don't worry. So say, I want this birdie on my this glass. Let me take it out. So now I will just remove this bird. See this. So this is the sticker. Okay. Now I will stick this birdie on my glass. Okay, and so here, see this. So I've already done my sticker part over here. Now again I will take etching cream. So take etching cream. And apply it so here you have to be very careful, or else you take a smaller brush and then you work, because it's a very small area. So take out etching cream. And just etch on the glass like this. I will go a little bit out. See here. So this is ready. See this. Okay, so this is ready now. Wash the brush with the water and again let this set for 10 minutes, and then you just have to wash all this with the water. You can take any normal water. You don't have to take any warm or cold water. Just wash it off with the normal water and you will see the etched part. So meanwhile, do you have any questions? Oh, any queries?
Yeah, what is that spray's name?
It's Cadence adhesive spray, stencil spray.
Acha, we get it on Amazon or Venus also?
See, even if you type adhesive spray for stencil, you'll get it. Just not, compulsory to buy any particular brand, because it's just an adhesive. So you all can take any brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
हेलो
Yeah.
स्टिकर और स्टेंसिल हम लोग रीयूज कर सकते हैं क्या?
Of course, yes. स्टिकर्स
तो
नहीं कर सकते,
मतलब wash करना
स्टिकर्स
है?
नहीं कर सकते, स्टिकर्स ये नहीं कर सकते. Once this is used, it's used. But stencils, yes, you all can use again and again.
ओके, सो उसे सिर्फ वाटर से वॉश करना है.
Now let see. This is let this set for 10 minutes and just normal water से आपको first you just take out this a cream and then you will see the magic.
Okay.
Where are the stencils available?
See, stencils is available with Avni Vyas. Normal, if you want, just within Pune. You get this in Itsy Bitsy store. Itsy Bitsy also has its own stencils and all. So you all can use that as well. So it's not compulsory. These all are the local stencils. So you will not get a particular brand for stencils. Whatever the design you like, you just pick it up. So that's the way of buying stencils.
Okay. What did you say the shop's name?
Itsy Bitsy.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So let this set for 10 minutes. This both we have done. See, it's almost dried enough. I will show you how to remove it with the water so that you'll get an idea. I'm taking this camera along with me and I will show you how to wash this up. So this is my normal water. And just a moment. I'll get my brush. So here is my brush. Start the water and remove etching cream. Like this. Okay. It's removed now. Slowly. See, take out your stencil and you will see the nice etched glass. Okay. So let me go inside and just clean this up. Now clean it with the cloth nicely. And now you'll see the etched glass. See this. So as you all can see, there is no bleeding from any of this side because we have used the stencil adhesive, and even if you use tape, the effect would be the same. Make sure that there should not be any it should not move. That's the way of using the stencil, and then and only you will get this nice clean sharp effect of this work. See this.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can we do it on paint or something like that? Means we can paint a grass and then उसके ऊपर can we do?
What you can do is just etch the first and then you all can paint on it, because once you do the paint, you can't etch on top of it because you need a plain glass surface, right?
Okay, means first you have to etch and then paint.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
So see the beautiful effect.
Yeah.
Okay. So now same
Yeah,
procedure.
very nice.
Yeah. Tell me. So same procedure. I will wash this and I'll show it to you. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. I see something dark so that one can see easily. So this is my dark surface and see this beautifully etched corner. So this you can't see properly, but when you keep something dark, it will be very, very visible. See this. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I will show you this as well. Something dark. As you all can see, it's a nice body. Yeah. It's beautifully etched with the sticker. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. So this way with the sticker, with the stencil, so I have done on this glass and this, and later what you all have to do is I have a frame. See, I have this white frame, so you just have to fit the glass into it. and you just have to frame it like this way.
Ami, this doesn't
Beautiful.
does not wear out, na?
No, not at all. It's permanent. It's permanent. And say if you are, if you want to stick this transparent, so what you have to do is backside you get this darker shade of mount board. Okay, so what you have to do is take a darker shade of mount board, put this glass like this, and then only from the back side you keep the glass like this and see this beautiful work. Yeah, so this way, you know, you go for a smaller, bigger, and just keep and go for a one particular wall of your house like this. Even this looks amazing, and put some different colors, not just the black. You keep the red backside, or maybe make it colorful and give this nice look on your wall. So I have this is a 6x6 glass, and the outer part is approximately 7 inches by 8 inches.
That black part is mount board?
No, it's just a paper. So I have this glossy black paper.
Okay.
So I just wanted to show you how it looks.
So we have to use mount board?
Yes, you get this thicker mount board with this frame wala.
Okay.
So they keep all colored mount board. So it kind of it's thicker as well. So it gives you a nice, you know, thick bond.
Okay.
Yes, so this way it's not that rocket science, but yes, the right way of using the you know, the glue and the right way of using stencil is very important. I would definitely suggest you to use adhesive rather than, you know, a tape, because, you know, tape sometimes what if, you know, it gets tear off and it just while working it just moves. So make sure that you always use adhesive, and it is not at all costly. Around 350 or 400 rupees you get a bigger bottle, and use as much as you can.
Did you spread the adhesive all over, or just like the tape, only on the edges?
See, this is my area, and I want to work in this particular area. That
Right.
particular area, you apply the stencil so that, you know, आपका adhesive भी right way से use हो.
Okay.
So
Thank
you
you.
want to say on the glass only we can put adhesive directly, so it will
No, not on the glass. I meant on the
Okay.
stencil. Yeah.
on the stencil at the
Yes.
corner, at the sides, right?
Yes. So wherever you want to apply the stencil, that particular area you apply the adhesive. The instruction is written. So the application is, you know, you have to apply from the distance of 20 to 25 centimeter. So don't apply it ekdam nazdeek se, otherwise, you know, it will get more. You'll get this bubble on the stencils. So we don't want that bubble. We just need a nice stickiness on the stencil so that it sticks nicely on the glass.
So at the center you didn't spread,
No.
okay, only at the edges.
Only on the edges.
And if you need to spray paint, I mean, if you want to paint, you said after you remove the stencil, right? You paint?
Yes. So say this is my work already done, and I want to paint only on the, you know, edges like here and here. So then you just use your brush, and even the glass colors goes very well in this. So what you have to do is, with the glass color, just outline, you know, with the black outline, and then somewhere you apply the glass color. It looks amazing.
Okay.
So if
Thank
you don't
you.
want to give just the, you know, this the white look, and you want to make it colorful, always use the glass color, because that bonds very well with the glass. So just apply a liner. You get now colorful liners as well for the glass painting. So you just apply a liner and do the glass transparent color on top of it. Even that looks good, but obviously don't overdo it, otherwise you will इसका भी एक charm है glass etching का, so always go for a minimum work. Any other questions?
Yeah, etching cream can be available in Venus Traders.
I think Venus has, yes, and even online Amazon it has with the kit around 999 ka pura kit hai. So you will get the stickers, you will get a glass piece, and you will get the cream as well.
Okay, and the stencil is also available in Venus, or
Yes, stencils are available.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Ami, any ideas of how to color that bottle if we have to enhance that bird you made on the bottle?
Yes, how to enhance it? So use the glass liner. So if you have a glass liner, so just apply it a liner, so it kind of enhances the bird. So this you do it on a wine glass if you have a wine glass at your place and you just want to decorate it, because I removed this little bit, thoda quick. I didn't rest this for 10 minutes. So that's why it's a little bit on the lighter side. So if you keep it for say around 10 or more minutes, you'll get a nice effect. But still it has a very good effect, but yes. Yeah.
One more question, Ami. I just wanted to know on that bottle where you've done the birdie, can I use acrylic paint means inside of it or even outside? Does glass take acrylic or no?
No, acrylic colors, if you are using the acrylic colors, then it just for the show purpose, then you are using it, because when you wash it, it will come off. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want, you all can use the ceramic colors or else the glass colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions? Just be careful. You don't have to make sure that if you don't like this smell of this etching, sometimes people get irritation and all. So always use mask or hand gloves, while working with this. That's the precaution you have to take. Otherwise, it is very easy, and in very less minutes, you get the good result out of the screen. So that's the precaution you have to take. So that's it from my side. I hope I'm cleared with each and every process. One on the glass, one on the transparent glass, then the adhesive. I'm using this stencil adhesive. You all can use masking tape. Again, I am having this glass etching cream. Then one mirror glass and one transparent glass, and flat brush.
Thank you.